So I just wanted, you to see what it looks like behind the scenes. So let me show you. Here's my lazy girl. Hi, baby. Let's have a look. Cat food, cat toys, therapy couch. Glass board. Hi. I wasn't joking about the time. My holiday board, I wouldn't normally have that on at 11:30 at night. What do we have on my desk? Let's have a look. Well, I've got an array of different kind of books. We've got some electrical equipment, cleaning materials there. How nice. Tissues, always have to have tissues. We've got a weight for my light. Posca pens, a motorbike magazine. Why? A laminator. Vinyl machine. That's my vinyl machine. This is the mess from my most recent journey into a bit of charcoal. I've done a bit more on my very, very large drawing of Christopher Hitchens. These are the new supplies I got the other day. Graphite art blocks. That one is graphite. This one is, hey, dark onyx. I don't know how to pronounce that. A messy brush, which should be in there. Messy, oh my God, look at that. Now you know why I've got cleaning materials, because this happens, right? And then I need to clean it up. Somewhere here, I think it might be in here. Yes, there it is. That's why I have cleaning materials at hand. That's why. That can go back in the drawer. Otherwise, I won't remember where it is next time. What else we got? Charging leads. I'm so lazy. We then have another cup of tea. A cup of tea I haven't drank yet. And over here I have a coffee cup. So those have got to go downstairs, haven't they, to be washed up. What have we got here? We've got a nice little tub of pens. We've got a couple of pads. Oh, 3 pads. Oh, this one, look, has got something I started while I was in Stratford-upon-Avon. And actually, now it's all drawn out, I don't like it. So I very, very much doubt that's going to be drawn to its completion. I've got all sorts in there. This is very difficult to do on hand. There, yes. These are in here, look. So that is actually one piece of A4. Just shows you the kind of detail you can pop in. I think they took about 2 hours each. Yeah, that's my pencil tub. This is my pen tub. And then I've got my little portable. Now see how I'm tidying up as I go along. See, so it doesn't look quite as messy. Anyway, my little travel kit for doing art in. There we go. So that's that. This, by the way, I got free at a motorbike festival. So we've got a pot. See, I'm definitely tidying up as we go along. I've got to do it by tomorrow anyway. That is my biros, my drawer. This has got all sorts of branded colour pencils in, but they're all colour coordinated. What's in here? I'd forgotten that was in there. It's no wonder I couldn't find anything. Card machine, so I take payments on that. I shall put this over here, and I better put a live blade away just in case of terrible accidents. I have my iPad that's starting to look a bit mucky. Charcoal gets everywhere. That's my diary. You definitely can't peek in there. God, that charcoal's, honestly, I'm allergic to it. That and pan pastels makes me itch and sneeze. I've got itchy nose. So what else do we have? Some random pens, and look what I'm gonna do. Look, see this? See this? I forgot I put everything in there. This is a great way just to clean up. One pair of glasses, and we have one pair. These are the same glasses I was wearing when I was 14 years old. They make amazing computer glasses. Oh, that's Itchy Boots, by the way. So I now have some notebooks. Notebooks? No, these are art books. That's an art book. Oh, I might as well show it down here. Goodness sake. There we go. Little notebook tour. Just some very random shit in here, really. This is quite detailed, but you probably won't be able to tell. Just random stuff. That's what my head feels like most of the time. Yeah, that'll never be finished either. Oh, my bear. Oh, my super bear. God, I miss him. I've got so many unfinished artworks. And then I usually start from both sides of the book, bizarrely. Just don't ask why. So what we got this end then? Well, we got another doodle. I don't do these kind of doodles anymore where I cover almost the whole kind of page. That's more like the ones I do now. And there's Bear again. Oh. That was supposed to be... I can't even tell you when I started that. You're talking about 8 years ago. Just sits in here. I've got some preliminary sketches, ink drawings. Random shit. Oh, look at that. A terrible scribble drawing. Don't like that at all. And a half-done scribble drawing. You're getting a theme here. A little bit of a doodle again. Not really finished. And then I've got this sketchbook. You'll recognise this one. So this is my Cornish truff. I've just been doing some preliminary, I don't know what they're called, thumbnails. He turned out pretty cool, if you can see him. And then these were my original cat balls. That was the first page. Oh, I love that one. And that one, cheeky. There's 3 bum holes on this page. 3 bum holes. I should have done all 6 bum holes. So that was that. Yeah, that's all that's in there. That's very boring, isn't it? That goes there where I tidy up a little. Oh, stop. This is my pile that just keeps falling down. It shouldn't even be... Oh, for goodness. Okay, so that's a bit tidier, isn't it? I got 2 sketchbooks here. That one's a new doodle. In amongst other doodles... There. Just lots of doodles in there, and there's some more in this one, but not as many, so they just live there, so I can just grab them and do some doodling. That one normally lives in one of my many buckets that need a makeover, to be honest. See, these just drop out. Look at that. They just randomly drop out, stay in. I've got to get some more of these. Pepper keeps ruining them. Ruining them. Yeah. Pesky. Stop it. I've got a random lap tray out. Look, back to cats. More cat toys. Scratching pads. Cat tunnel. Cat string. I wonder whose toy that is. It's the laziest playing session. Just waits for it to be dropped on her so that she can bite it. That actually looks a bit tidier now. See, I've saved myself a job. I haven't saved myself a job at all, have I? Not really. God, it's nearly midnight. It's time to go to bed. That's that then. A bit of a tour. I shouldn't be up this late, but I am a typical artist. I could work till 3 in the morning, she says. No, I definitely need to go to bed. Anyway, that's what my art room looks like last thing in the day. I am so lazy. I don't take cups down. I don't drink half of my tea. I have so many art materials all over the place. The life of an artist. Don't believe all these nice, shiny, tidy spaces. They're just not proper artists, are they? You're not a proper artist until you have at least 5 mugs in your studio space. That's what I say anyway. Anyway, signing off. So I'm going to bed. Just thought I'd give you a bit of a behind the scenes. What is going on? My room's such a mess. I'm sure there will be some people, where their studios are much messier than mine. But I have to share my space with my clients, so I can't have it too messy. I didn't even show you all the art on the wall. You know, all the unfinished art on the wall. Well, some of it's finished, but most of it is unfinished. I've got to show you that now, haven't I? Otherwise it never happened. Okay, here's the art on the wall. Art on the wall, along with Bear's little paw prints. But the only one finished in that row is the one in the frame. Only one, only two. And the seagulls, which started off as a study. That's it, folks, anyway. Oh, my cat's fallen over, look. There we go. Brushes, tapes, so much bump, electrical equipment. So that's my tour. I'm off to watch some more motorbike videos. No, I'm not. I'm off to bed. I need to go to bed and I need sleep. Wouldn't you agree, Pepper? Shall we start where we left off?